Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today you're not just watching a camper review, you're stepping inside one of the most luxurious motorhomes Mercedes-Benz has ever built. This isn't just a 2-floor camper. This is a billionaire's rolling mansion, designed for those who demand the highest level of travel, style, and space. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Double-Floor Camper isn't just turning heads. It's flipping the entire RV industry upside down. At first glance, its design is absolutely breathtaking. The sleek, futuristic lines, the glossy satin finish, the chrome accents paired with sculpted aerodynamic curves. It looks less like a camper and more like a private spaceship parked on the road. But it's when the staircase extends and those automatic doors glide open that the true magic begins. The first floor is where functionality meets 5-star luxury. You walk into a massive lounge wrapped in ambient LED lighting. The leather seating? Imported and hand-stitched. The flooring? Heated marble-style tiling. There's a full gourmet kitchen with induction burners, a smart refrigerator, and touch-controlled appliances. You also get a high-tech bathroom with a rainfall shower that adjusts to your perfect temperature. And if that sounds wild, just wait till we go upstairs. The second floor is something you've never seen in any production camper before. It opens up to a glass-walled master suite with panoramic views. Yes, this is the billionaire's bedroom. A king-size memory foam bed, silk sheets, mood lighting synced to your playlist, and a fireplace display for aesthetic luxury. Right beside it, a private walk-in closet and even a small workstation with a digital assistant built right into the desk. Oh, and that's not all. Step out onto the rear terrace, and you've got a rooftop lounge with retractable shades, speakers, and a bar setup. You're not just traveling, you're hosting. Mercedes didn't just create a camper. They created a rolling lifestyle. Everything inside is smart controlled. From the blinds to the climate, lighting, and even the scent diffusers, you can set the vibe with a single voice command. Powering this beast is a turbocharged, diesel-electric hybrid engine that delivers insane torque and stability, while keeping fuel efficiency surprisingly high for a vehicle of this size. And thanks to active air suspension and noise cancellation tech, it glides smoother than most luxury sedans. This isn't for your average road tripper. This is for the ultra-elite, those who want to bring their luxury lifestyle on the road without compromise. So is this the most luxurious camper ever made? Honestly, yes. Mercedes-Benz just proved that even the road can feel like a private penthouse in the sky. Thanks for watching Engine Explorer. If you love this glimpse inside the most opulent camper of 2026, hit that like button and subscribe for more insane rides from the future of luxury travel.